Good afternoon. Welcome once again. Thank you for visiting my channel. This is Kurt Boyd with Russ, Lyon, Sotheby, Scottsdale here in beautiful sunny Arizona. We're here today at my open house, which is 11625 East Windrose Drive in Scottsdale 85259. This is a single family home. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath. About 4,500 on the square footage, built in 2001, and a backyard update which is absolutely beautiful, which I'll get to show you here in just a moment. But I just wanted to show the landscaping of the yard. Everything is really pristine and well taken care of. Here, we're expecting a very clean home inspection report eventually, once we get the right buyer under contract. So, no neighbors behind us. As you'll see, there is a desert preserve area, which means it's not buildable. So we're gonna go into the house this way. I'll try to get this done probably, I would say 2, maybe 3 parts. I just want to make sure my phone doesn't overheat and that it's not going to be too hard to upload to YouTube. Nonetheless, we're surrounded by a beautiful mountainous area. Has some gorgeous sunsets. Today's a great day to see it too. We've got some clouds in the sky, not producing any rain just yet, probably not going to. All right, so we've got the entryway. And beautiful panoramic style living area with glass. It does have automatic shades that will come down all the way through all 3 panels. And then outside there are 4 panels that would block everything as far as the sunlight and to give you some extra privacy outside as well into the house. So just to let you know that. It does come equipped with a beautiful pool and hot tub and barbecue area, as well as an Adobe style beehive fireplace. Has outdoor entertainment area with television and fire pit for conversation and so forth. We'll get to all that later. The reason I mention it now is when I get out there, I just want you to kind of take a look at the landscaping and see how beautiful and pristine it is without my talking over it. So here's the grand entranceway, really nice. And we'll go, let's go this way first. I'm gonna go to the dining area, which is right here. Has a little mini wet bar here with refrigeration, built-in cabinets. Then we have the powder room. Then we have, we're walking into the kitchen area, so we've got the dinette with the same theme of panoramic glass to the backyard to bring in the outside, to bring the outside inside, I should say. That's what living out here is all about, at least for a little while now until it gets hot. It's got very workable kitchen here. I love to cook myself, so this is really, I believe this to be very nice as far as counter space goes. They've got the island here, plenty of storage, beautiful gas range, double ovens. It has a walk-in pantry, which I'm sure is probably packed. Yes, it is, but it's organized. So it looks good, plenty of space, that's for sure. Especially if this is a secondary house or a winter home or something like that. All right, so here's into the main, there's a secondary living room, obviously, family room, whatever you wanna call it, whatever the popular jargon is right now. As we go into the primary, I'll let this run to about 5 minutes. I should be able to get this and then I'll get the other side of the house with the backyard. So anyways, it's got, I don't wanna go in the closet, but it's a huge walk-in closet. Kind of a his and hers side or whatever you wanna call it. Jack and Jill, Jill and Jill, Jack and Jack, I don't know. So, nice separate sinks. If you're getting ready together in the morning, everything is good. Well, the mirrors, there's mirrors on the door, so that's good. And there's a full length and then some dressing mirror here in the bathroom. As we go into the master or the primary suite, as far as the bedroom area is concerned, it's just a massive area. Really beautiful. It has its own fireplace and sitting room. You can close this off a little bit if you want to make like a library or a study or something like that, if you wanted to. It leads to the outside, which is great. I would probably put a couple couches in here and maybe turn this into a semi-portional, I don't know if that's the right word. I would have a movie theater in here, small, with the room being soundproofed and so forth. That would be an excellent use of this space, at least for me. I'm a big movie guy, I can't help it. So we'll go back in through the kitchen, and then I'm gonna cut this short at 6 minutes. I'm sure the upload will be all right. Normally I like to keep it between 2 and 3 minutes each, but there'll be too much to upload. So we'll go this direction here and check out some of the fireplace detail. And then I'll pause and I'll get you to the other side of the home and outside. Sound good? Okay, stay tuned for part 2.